Have you ever heard about cryptocurrency or wondered how people make money while they trade? In this video today, I'm going to be simplifying the basics of cryptocurrency and how to make money using Pionex bots, even if you're a beginner and know nothing about cryptocurrency. I have my link in the description below for amazing bonuses when you sign up. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is simply digital money that runs on blockchain technology. This blockchain technology makes it possible for us to call it crypto. This crypto was invented to be able to transfer money from one country to another globally, send and receive money without needing a bank or traditional finance. We have a lot of cryptocurrencies, and the king of cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. And we have Ethereum, we have Solana, and so many other cryptocurrencies in thousands, as the case may be, each with its own use case. Why do we trade cryptocurrency? We trade cryptocurrency to make money from price movement, and that is price moving up and down, creating opportunity for us to make profit. But here's the catch: cryptocurrency is risky because price can also drop and you can lose money. And that is why we have the Pionex automated bot to help. But what are these Pionex trading bots we are talking about? First of all, Pionex is one of the leading exchanges in the cryptocurrency market. And this exchange comes with a built-in AI trading bot that help you trade. These bots are like your personal traders that never sleep. They buy low and sell high for you automatically, so you don't have to monitor the market 24/7. Let us say you put Bitcoin into a grid. This way, when Bitcoin drops, the bot buys, and when Bitcoin price pumps, the bot sells. This way, we are making money from market fluctuation, buying low and selling high. And these bots don't need our manual efforts to do that. The great thing about Pionex is that these bots are beginner friendly. You don't need to have an idea of cryptocurrency for you to use this bot. You simply have to select the coin you need, Bitcoin or USDT, allocate the funds, and set up this bot. And in this video, I'm still going to show you how to set up this bot and automate it to make money. Why do we use bot? It saves time, helps us make consistent profit, and takes out our emotion from trading. But these bots are not risk-free. In as much as, yes, we can make consistent profit from using this bot, we can also make a lot of losses depending on market fluctuations. While this bot can make you money, you still need to monitor your trade and make reasonable price ranges when setting up your bot. How much can we actually make using Pionex bot? In as much as we can make money a lot using this bot, we can also make a lot of losses depending on the market conditions. For example, with $50, you can make $10 to $20 every day in the right and stable market condition. And then in volatile markets, you can make a whole lot of money, but then the risk is higher when the market is very volatile, as price can go up and down quickly. Always remember, the crypto market can be unpredictable, so use what you can afford to lose to trade. If you're ready to start trading and using the bot, I've made it super easy for you. You can sign up with the link in the description below and be entitled to a lot of exclusive bonuses. Plus, if you deposit at least $50 in your account after using the link in the description below, you'll be added to my Telegram channel where I post signal on a daily basis for free. Now I'm going to be taking you on a step-by-step process on how to create your first bot on Pionex. Going over to the Pionex app, the first thing you have to do is go over to the bot section. On the bot section, we have to create a bot. Now we can pick the spot grid or we can pick the futures grid, but I want to pick the futures grid because I want to make profits from the market going up and down. But the spot grid, I'm only going to be making profits from the market appreciating in value. So we'll go over to the futures grid and we can see a lot of bots here already of people making 200%, 700%, 1,300% in 7 days, in 14 days. So I'll be going over to neutral because I want to be making money from the profit going up and down. I'll go over to customize to create my bot. Now I'm going over to neutral and I want to pick the price range. Now we are currently at Ethereum USDT, and Ethereum USDT is currently $3,296. Now I want the lowest price for this bot to trade to should be $3,100, and I want the highest price to be $3,600. And I want to put a very small grid because this grid determines the amount of profit, and if the market is in the wrong condition, the amount of losses you can make. So the higher the profit, the higher the losses you can make. So I'm going to be using 35 grid. which is 0 to 3 to 0 to 4% of my investment is going to be made. After which I'm going to go to the investment. This is where I impute the amount of USDT I want to use. So I'm going to be using all the USDT I have here, which is about $50, and I've already clicked on the 100% equivalent of my available balance, and then I'll be clicking on create, and this pops up and it's showing me Ethereum USDT pair neutral. The price range is $3,100 to $3,600, and my grid is 35. So my profit is going to be between 0.3% to 0.4% of the price of Ethereum USDT. And I click on confirm, and my bot has been created automatically. So as you can see here, you can see my actual investment. You can see the profit and loss is 0%, and you can see the bot is up and trading already. And that will be all on how to create your bot on Pionex. Simple and easy. In as much as you're done creating the bot, don't forget to always monitor your bot and see how it's performing at intervals. And if you need help with my Telegram or have direct questions to ask me, the link is in the description to contact me on Telegram. Now that we are done setting up our bots, you are ready to start making passive income while you sleep with the Pionex automated bots. And I'm going to always advise you when it comes to crypto trading, we talk about risk management. As a newbie, as a beginner, when you start trading, as you have set up your bots and you want to invest, trade with what you can afford to lose. As a beginner, you can use as little as $50, $100, $200 that you can afford to lose, that you are comfortable with, to make your first trade and set up the bot. And like I said from the beginning of this video, if you want personalized signal to trade for free on my Telegram channel, sign up with the link in the description below, my referral link on Pionex. And like I said, you're entitled to a lot of exclusive bonuses when you do that. And when you text me on Telegram, I'm going to add you to the community to trade feature signal for free. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more trading insights. See you in the next video.